I think there are a few different layers to think about when it comes to AI integration in the future with WordPress. So first of all, there's what can it do today to help drive efficiencies in the platform? And both WordPress VIP and a few tools that we've built like Classify as an integration, solve some, I think, immediate low-hanging problems that range from things like making it very easy right inside the CMS to create natural-sounding audio versions of articles or the reverse, taking transcripts you've made and helping convert them into very accessible, SEO-friendly content on the site, all the way to things like understanding how comparative titles are performing on your website. And so just things like quick editorial touch-ups to, without having to leave the CMS, just generate images directly from something like Dolly when you're trying to get up a story really quickly. That's sort of the now and the immediate. There's the development and sort of engineering layer to think about. One of the things that WordPress has going for it is there's so much open documentation and so much open source out there that you can really plug in tools like Cursor and be able to generate things quickly in the space. It's a platform that, because it's open, because there is so much documentation out there, that you can start to leverage those tools pretty quickly. And then there's this third space, which I think is maybe the greener pasture, sort of the newer frontier, the technologists, the CTOs and enterprises are thinking about, which is this agentic future, independent task runners, orchestrating across multiple tools and platforms. It might not just be like a traditional web CMS, but might be your email marketing platform, might be your CRM or something like Salesforce in your ecosystem, and how those all orchestrate together to do things like campaign management, to do things like personalization for customers. I think there's a few things to be excited about there, and the one is, WordPress has cultivated a strong RESTful API for a long time, as well as ecosystem solutions that plug in things like GraphQL. So it in many ways is ready from day one as an open platform to be able to let agentic services plug in and navigate it. But there's also a lot that's exciting going on in the core WordPress project that'll make it into platforms like WordPress VIP, and embracing a large ecosystem where some of the largest AI innovators in the world, companies like Google, are very involved in helping shape that product.